Good morning, friends. Have a nice day. In last two period, we saw some basic concepts in geometry like point, line, line segment, ray, collinear point, non-collinear points, point of concurrence, concurrent line, parallel line, and intersecting line. And solve the practice sets first. Let's do some example of depend upon this basic concept in geometry. Practice set first. Question number 4. Observe the figure below and name as following. खालील आकृती पहा आणि विचारलेली नावे लिहा. There are many lines. Some lines are straight, some lines are intersecting each other. So, observe this figure and name as following. First, collinear points. What is meant by collinear points? 3 or more than 3 points are lying on a straight line is called collinear points. म्हणजे 3 किंवा 3 पेक्षा अधिक बिंदू एका सरळ रेषेवर असतील तर त्याला collinear points म्हणायचं. Let's see, there are many straight line, but this main straight line, horizontal line, line AC. How many points are on there? The point A, point B, and point C means 3. Means 3 points means point A, point B, and point C are lying on straight line AC. Straight line AC. So there are collinear points. And remaining of this, they are on the straight line, but they are 1 or 2 means less than 3. So this point is called non-collinear points. Like line AR, there is a 2 point A and point R. So less than 2. So this is called non-collinear points. Second, lines. There is a many lines. Line is named with the help of which points are lie on the line. So line AC and line AB are same because line AC, they are line point ABC. So line AC is also right as a line AB. Lines AC and line AB are similar. Remaining line AP, line AQ, line AB and line is same. Line AR on point B, line BT, line BS, line CU. There are the lines. Right? Third, line segment. Line segment means line segment have 2 end points. 2 end points. And line segment is also part of the line. The segment between 2 points is called line segment. So segment line AC, segment between A and B is called segment AB, and the part between B and C is called segment BC, and also the part between A and C points, this is also segment AC. There are a segment AB, segment BC, and segment AC. B and C. Part between segment have 2 end points. The part between 2 points is called segment. Third, point of concurrence. What is meant by point of concurrence? two or more than two lines are passing through the same point is called point of concurrence. There is a 3 points. Point A, they have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are passing through the point A. So point A is the point of concurrence because 4 means more than 2. So point A is the point of concurrence. Next, point B, there is a 3 lines, main line, line AC, line BT and line BS. There are 3 lines are passing through the point B. So this is the more than 2, hence point B is also point of concurrence. Next, point C, there are 2 lines are passing through the point C, horizontal line AC and line CU. It means 2 lines. So point C is also point of concurrence. So there is a 3 point of concurrence, point A, point B and point C. Point A in passing through 4 lines, in point B passing through 3 lines and point C passing 2 lines, mean 2 and more than 2. 2 किंवा 2 पेक्षा अधिक रेषा त्या बिंदूतून जातात म्हणून त्या बिंदूला पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करन्स म्हणा. नेक्स्ट, कॉन्करंट लाइन. 2 or more than 2 lines are passing through the same point is called concurrent line. We find out point of concurrence. There are 3 points of concurrence, point A, point B and point C. Let's see, at point A there is a 4 lines are passing through the point A, line AP, line AQ and line AR and main horizontal line, line AC. That means there is a 4 concurrent line at point A. Next, point B, there is a 3 lines passing through the point B, means more than 2, line BS, line BT and main horizontal line, line AC. That means 3 lines, means more than 2 lines are passing through the point B. Next, point C, there is a 2 lines are passing through the point C, line CU and main horizontal line, line AC, means more than 2 or more than 2 lines are passing through the same point is called concurrent lines. At point A there is a 4 lines are passing through the B point, there are 3 lines passing through the point B, and C point there is a 2 lines are passing through the point C, means 2 or more than 2 lines are passing through this point. So this line is called concurrent line and such a point is called point of concurrence. Next, parallel lines. What is meant by parallel lines? The lines are not intersecting each other at same plane is called parallel line. At point B there is a 4 lines are intersecting each other. At point B there is a 3 lines are intersecting each other, and point C there is a 2 lines are intersecting each other. Means this is the intersecting line. But line BT and line CU are increases forwarded at both sides. You see that they are not intersecting each other at the same plane. So line BT and line CU are parallel lines, and other lines are intersecting each other at the same plane, so it's called intersecting lines.